With any dynamic site that interacts with a database, the first step is to establish communications with the database. Our database, in XAMPP using PHP 5.6.15, is MariaDB. On the remote server, our database is MySQL. While they are different, they are also compatible, so what we do with one should work with the other. PHP has typically had three connection libraries to work with MySQL servers: MySQL, MySQLi, and more recently, PDO, which is an abbreviation for PHP Data Object. The original MySQL connection library was officially deprecated as of PHP 5.5. You should not use it. We will use PDO. The great advantage to PDO is that it is generic. It uses the same structure and functions for all databases. The database vendors provide the behind-the-scenes engine to interact with their database. We as the developer do not have to worry about the internal workings of the database. We can concentrate on the PHP side of things. In the dyn_site folder, you will find a database.php file. Open it. You will find that all of the necessary code is there to create the database connection, with three exceptions: the name of the database at the end of line 2, the proxy username found on line 3, and the proxy password found on line 4. The database name is visitors and was installed in the first video. The proxy username and password belong to the proxy user checked for at the end of the first video and should be a duplicate of the user created on the remote hosting server in earlier work. To test the file, open your browser and navigate to the file. Make sure that the local Apache and database servers are running. If the screen returns all white, things worked as planned. If something is wrong, you should be redirected to the database error PHP page. I will demonstrate both results. Once the database connection is confirmed as working, we are ready to insert data to the database in our next movie.